Wait.
So, Chuck tells me that you're a professional dog walker.
What happened to you?
Oh, yeah, just outside.
Look, there's a blizzard outside right now. I don't think you guys could see it, but
Okay, I'm just
the snow has covered everything.
exactly booked a gig yet.
Go outside.
Working on my songs.
Like almost everything. Here, I'm gonna see if I
So, I mean, you
could go outside.
dog walking is a real job, then, right?
You couldn't hear anything, but she was definitely marking her territory.
Yeah, this is how it looks out here, this blizzard. There's a tough blizzard here. I mean, it's really tough. Look at all that snow. Look, it's all the way up to here. I mean, this blizzard is really bad. Like, it covered the whole streets. Like, man. This thing covered the whole entire streets. Look over there. You can barely see those lights. It's my neighbor's yard over there. And this is our street. Wow, just look at this blizzard. Look, you see that? That's the clouds. It's getting really windy out here. I'm about to close this. The video will end in 3, 2, 1.